you know, people criticize me for the way I speak, but that's the way I speak. That's the way he speaks. As long as he gets the message across, that's what it's for. That's what all of these postings are for. He gets some information across, and as long as he achieves that, then he manages to do what he sets out to do. I am not I'm not exactly a judge of how do you say, literary style. I don't know how you want to put it. So that's really, I would consider that out of my purview.